little flaps in now, so maybe it'll actually kind of slow it down just a little bit. See the flaps deployed just about 5%, 10%. Actually, that flies pretty good like that.
Oh, you almost hit a tree.
How close to those trees am I coming?
Very close, Steve.
Yeah, the flaps really make a difference. Yeah, I'm really at a very controllable speed, throttle and flaps wise.
I've gotten a few good passes.
Well, I got this set on, or somebody set it on 2,000 speed, so it ought to be catching it pretty good.
Okay, I'm trying not to hit you, but I'm going to bring it down right on top of you. Okay, is this a setting or what?
Yeah, this is gorgeous. Beautiful day.
Wow, Steve, you got really close.
I don't know, I hate to get it in the sun because once I get up there I can't blink. So I just burn my eyes and hope I come through it okay.
Steve, can I stop videoing? I got
About 30 seconds or so. I'm sure that's about all anybody can handle.
Oh, it's 2 minutes.